Hey guys, it's Patrick. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can make Starbucks iced coffee in your own home. It's super easy and it's going to save you guys a lot of money, so let's get right on to the video. So for this recipe, you're obviously going to need iced coffee, so I went ahead and went to Walmart and picked up a huge bottle of Starbucks iced coffee. This way you know it literally tastes exactly like the one in the store, and be sure to get the dark roast one because that has the best flavor. So the next ingredient you're going to need is some sort of milk. I like using almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk, but you can really use whatever you want. And I like the vanilla flavor, but it just depends on how sweet you guys want this. So the next thing you're going to need is some sort of syrup. They also sell these in the store. That is the Starbucks brand. So I got hazelnut, but they also have caramel, vanilla. You can really get whatever flavor you want and completely customize this drink. So first you're going to pour some ice into your cup. Then you're going to add 1.5 cups of the iced coffee. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the syrup. And then top off the cup with the milk. So then you're going to use the straw to stir this all together, and that's pretty much it. So you guys saw how easy this is. I started doing this a couple months ago and it's literally saved me so much money. I highly recommend you guys trying this out for yourself. Let me know how it turns out in the comment section down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.